Hello, I wanted to make a short video of the shop that I've been building. This is a project that's been going on for about 3 or 4 years now. I wanted something unique, and I wanted something that I could build myself, and this is what I came up with. It's a conventional framed structure with a Quonset hut metal roof. These are the sliding barn doors that I built. They're built from Douglas fir, basic dimensional lumber that you'd get at any hardware store, lumber yard. It is double thickness. I did glue them together and then cut them, did half lap joints and glued and bolted the joints together. As you can see, it's quite the construction project still. I've got my table saw in here, woodworking equipment, so I can work out here now. Got temporary power. It's basic 2x6 construction, 16-inch on center. That was specified by the professional engineer. I had to have a professional engineer look at the drawings since I'm in the city limits, and it was only for the connection between the Quonset hut and the conventional construction, the lumber construction. This is the second story. It's a pretty clear span. It's about 8.5 feet in the center, and you can almost stand right to the edge of it. So it's a really good deal. Gives you a lot of space, more so than trusses or conventional framing. And the advantages over it, trusses are pretty hard to put up without equipment, but these were individual panels, and I assembled the whole thing myself, with just a little bit of a support to help me, and then they just bolt together. We'll go take a look at the way they connect to the walls. This is what they call the industrial base connector. And I ordered this undrilled because I needed to locate the holes for it to be bolted to the framing. So it bolts to the framing, and then the Quonset hut structure bolts to the industrial base connector. Makes for a very, very solid structure and roof. Here's a close-up of the framing of the end walls. They are just 2x6 walls, and they're connected to the Quonset hut roof structure with those metal tabs. They're little L brackets that are just bolted into the Quonset hut, where the Quonset hut naturally has bolts, so I didn't have to make any unnecessary holes in it. But that's it. Makes for a very good roof. Very pleased with it. It was easy to put up, relatively cost effective. Very pleased with it so far. Cheers.